Get started, welcome to my channel. I'm just a mom who likes to make videos of products that I have in my house. If you like this video or think you'll get anything out of it, I would greatly appreciate if you would subscribe or at least just hit like for me. Thanks so much. If you have a blue collar working man, give this as a gift. Every man needs a real good flashlight, and this one is magnetic, packaged really well, and it's waterproof. Has a Type-C front charger. Comes with the charger as well. This would make a perfect stocking stuffer for a man this year, but also just in general a really good gift for any man. Power on here. The flashlight is super bright. I'm not trying to blind you, but it goes brighter. That's kind of crazy. And then the tail end of this is magnetic. Let me see if I can find something. So if they're working in contractor type fields and drop screws a lot, that would be something awesome to have. And then it has the belt clip as well. Overall, this is just a great nifty little tool for them to have. And it tells you the percentage of the battery that's left on the front as well. Can you see that? I don't even know what the purpose of that would be, but that's pretty cool.